Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem that many Java developers encounter when using try with resources. The problem lies in the misconception that try with resources can work with any object's cleanup method, when in reality, it only applies to objects that implement the AutoCloseable interface. This limitation can lead to confusion and errors in code implementation. In the solution provided, it is clear that try with resources is designed to work specifically with objects that implement the AutoCloseable interface, which includes all objects implementing closable as well. The close method defined in the AutoCloseable interface is the only method called by the try with resources syntax, ensuring proper resource management and cleanup. It's important to note that the dispose method is not automatically called, but developers can choose to implement it within the close method for additional cleanup. To summarize, the key takeaway is to ensure that any object used with try with resources in Java must implement the AutoCloseable interface to guarantee proper cleanup and resource management. Remember, Java's try with resources is a powerful tool when used correctly, so always keep in mind the interface requirements for seamless integration. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on today's topic. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!